When our customers get excited about the top-level customer service they received and leave a 5-star review online, it really makes an impact on our staff. And in turn, we love to share that experience with others. This customer was so excited about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review.
This is Lynn Newman Montalvo on Facebook. Preferred Power Wash just cleaned my very large house. The price was fair and I would recommend Preferred Power Wash to anyone in Michigan.
We take pride in our 5-star service rating. We're very loyal to our customers, and in return, we have incredibly loyal customers. See and you'll be amazed. We hope you enjoyed our small section of the internet today. We look forward to talking with you.